All right, everyone, welcome. We are going to look at IMX here. So IMX on the macro scale of things, you can see here from the high back there to the low, we are over the 618. You are extremely bullish on the larger time frame here at 180. So as long as you're over 180, you're extremely bullish. It looks like you're pushing up to try to break over the 786 here at 273. And then once you do that, it's confirmed that this thing is going way higher. So we're going to zoom down to the 3-day chart here. So it looks like your next macro target, let me measure this really quick, is about another 14% to that 270 level. That's going to be your big price to beat. On the smaller time frame here on the 3-day chart, of course, you can see the price is going up. Stock RSI is coming down, so we do have a little bit of bearish divergence there. Not really seeing that on the regular RSI, so it remains to be seen if this thing's going to stay bullish here. I would say over 180, you are extremely bullish, but we are going to draw another Fibonacci on the chart off of this beautiful double bottom here, W pattern here. So we're going to go ahead and draw from that little tiny wick on that candle there to this most recent high. And you can see the Fibonacci's are lining up almost perfectly. So that just tells me there's a lot of confluence with the prices here. So if you do pull back here, I'm looking for this 170 level to hold. And as long as you stay above that, 618, 236, potentially a 25% pullback here, and say we come up to that 786 and we hit that and we get rejected at that 270 level, then you're potentially getting a pullback of about 35% here. So just be aware of that. Know when to take profits, of course. If we move this up here and say and speculate that this is where we're going to get stuck at, you can see that lines up that 236 almost perfectly here at that $1.80 range. So as long as IMX is above $1.80, she is good to go, in my opinion. She is extremely bullish here. But do watch for that little pullback here on IMX. So we will leave it at that for now on IMX. It looks good at the moment. Heikinashi's printing green. It is trending up. I like the nice large gap between the moving averages we have on the chart here. So there's really nothing telling me that it's coming back down anytime soon. It looks like it's going to keep going. Like I said, we may get some tiny little pullbacks here. We could even go as far as going down to some different time frames, of course, and getting much smaller prices to watch. But you could draw a million fibs on these charts and get, a million different prices to hit. So you can see that as long as you're over the 217 level on the daily chart, you are mega bullish here. And then potentially you could pull back to about $1.95 and drop potentially 9% and be extremely bullish. And then the 382 for about a 18% drop to 195 and still be extremely bullish. So just watch either of these prices here, but ultimately over $1.80 on the macro scale, you are bullish here. So we will leave it at that for now on IMX. Hopefully that helped. Good luck, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.